In this video, we're going to learn about how addition is related to multiplication. So here we have a problem which says, which expression equals 5 times 7? So this is a multiplication expression. And then here we have a list of choices. So does this mean 3 sevens, 4 sevens, 5 sevens, or 6 sevens? So what this really means is if you add 7 to get 5 sevens together 5 times, you add sevens together 5 times, that's what 5 times 7 means. So we know that for this problem, the answer is this one because there's 5 sevens here. So 5 times 7 is the same as adding 5 sevens together. So that's the answer. And that's how addition is related to multiplication.